Auto Workshop. It's almost, well, by the time you see this, it'll probably be after Christmas, but maybe not. Need to do a few Christmas gifts here. Family members asked for some candle holders. Here's the first one. Pretty simple, not a big deal. I chose cedar for this because I had a piece laying around. And I'm going to go ahead and make the second one to match the first one. This is just out of my head. There's no specific design to it. Got a few grooves in it just to add some interest. And still have to drill the hole for the candle. But other than that, this one's done, ready for finish. So we're going to go ahead and I got this one roughed in. Next step up, what I like to do is I like to sand it smooth after I get it to round with just a rough sand, so I can transfer the marks on here with a pencil, and we'll just go from there. Let me grab a pencil, I'll be right back. So next I have to just kind of transfer some marks onto here, just to give me an idea where things are. So I've got this one here. That transitions there. Got a mark there. This is going to all get turned down. So there's the end of it. And here's the end of that sweep. So go ahead and get it started. Turn it down. Bring you in so you can see those marks. Zoom you in a little bit here. I got a selection of tools out here. First one I'm going to use is this skew chisel. I just want to come in here and mark my line. Gives me an edge so I can same thing here at the top. partially roughed out here, I'm going to grab my calipers and do some measurements and set some actual depths for some of these parts, and we'll be right back. Okay, got our calipers set for the diameter right here. Just a hair on the large side because we're going to sand it, so it's going to come down just a little bit. Now, when you're making hand made objects like this, they're never going to, well, technically you could get them really close to the same, but one of the joys of handcrafted crafts like this is that they aren't exactly the same. They show little imperfections and show that they are, in fact, they do show in fact some defects, and that they're not quite exactly the same, which adds character. So we can tell if this isn't right. So got our tool here, and we're just going to start this up. I'm going to bring the speed up a little bit. There we go. I'll reset it for the next dimension here. There we go. Come to this side. Go. On that one. There we go. Go back to our gouge. see my mark, so I'll make it a little longer. There we go. Doing tapers is always the hardest part. Alright, turn it over there. I'll bring the speed back up. Okay, we're going to do some rough sanding here, I think, and then we'll go ahead and put our grooves in and finish sand. I have to admit, I love turning cedar. It's such a nice wood to turn with.
And it smells amazing.
So let's go ahead and toss our lines in here where we have our grooves. Let's see. First thing I need to continue these lines. little bit short. Make those a little bit longer so I can see them better. The first one I use the skew to get a little bit wider. Okay, and then it's a little long, so then we're just back to sanding again. Pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm just going to part it off and check it against the other one. Part it off. I'm going to bring my speed all the way down. Grab my chisel. Sand that off. Drill the hole for the candlestick. They're not exactly identical, but they're close. So that's where we wanted to be. I could have gotten this bulb here a little bit closer to this one, but they're individual. We'll get them drilled, sanded, and stained, get a coat of poly on them, and they'll be ready to go in a box. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll be back with you in the next video. Have a great day.